Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mentors. In this video I'm going to share with you my new data entry project which I got on Upwork. It was pretty simple work. So my client provided me a PDF file and he said that you have to convert this PDF file into Word, and it should to be editable and the format should be similar, so you don't need to do any kind of change in the format. So I will show you step by step how I work on this and from here you can get this kind of work. And I will also show you how you can create a data entry portfolio for yourself from this project. I will also give access so that you can download this project and then you can work on this. Okay, so first I want to show you the client instruction which he sent to me via for this project. So here you can see he said that I need you to convert this attached document into a Word document. I would like to be the same format as in attached PDF, so it can be edited. So $15 price for this project. So it was pretty good. So first I want to show you the file which the client sent to me. So here is the file. Let me open this file. So here you can see this is the file which my client provided to me. He said that you have to convert this complete PDF file into Word. So I will do everything step by step and I will show you how I did. So here you can see there are some logos in here, some statement, and there are different kind of things which we have to do, but I will show you very easy way which you can do for this kind of work if you got on Upwork anywhere. So you don't need to spend a lot of time by doing this work manually. So first what you need to do, just to open any browser which you have, then you have to tap Google Drive as I have here. So I just click on it. So just open Google Drive. Then what you need to do, just to click here new. So when you click on new, then you have to click on file upload. When you click on file upload, so then you have to select the file which you want to convert into a Word, as we are want to convert this PDF file. So I just click on this and then now we have to click on open. So just click on open, then just wait some time and just update and exit, because I have already uploaded this file before when I was working on this before. Okay, so what you need to do just now to refresh this page, just refresh this page. After refreshing this page, the file will be here, and then just open this file into a Word and then just download it, and simply the work will be done. Okay, so here is the file. Now what you need to do, just to click on this file, then just click on here open with, then click on Google Doc. So just click on this and the file will be automatically convert to a Word. So it's pretty simple work. So if you are interested to do this kind of work, you can just create your account on upwork.com or fiverr.com. So you can also watch my other videos related to data entry, as I'm working as a virtual assistant on Upwork, and I'm doing work on a different project as a data entry, web research, lead generation. So I will upload different videos on my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe it for more videos if you want to learn from my experience. So here is the file. As you can see here, this file is now updating by itself. So I didn't do anything. If I was writing this by myself, so it will take a lot of time. So here you can see this is the file, and the first file was here, is which my client provided to me, and this was in PDF file and in PDF form. So I can't type anything here, but here I can type anything, whatever I want to type. As you can see here, I just type H, and you can see here I can type anything, whatever I want to type. So just wait some time. If your internet speed is not good, so the file will be automatically in a format form. So then you can also check with your this file if there's any kind of mistake, because this is a software, so maybe there are some kind of error, so you can just verify it. So just take some time and just verify this file with your old this file. So if there was any kind of error, so you can just remove it. And then just what you need to do, if you are satisfied that there is no mistake after reading everything here, so then okay, so just click on the file. After clicking here, then come to download and then click on Word, Microsoft Word. So just click on this, so the file will be automatically downloaded, as you can see here. So the file is converted into Word. So we have earned $50 by doing the simple work, as you can see, enable editing. So this is the file you can see here. Now I have just converted this file into a Word. So it was pretty simple work. So if you want to do this kind of work, so just create your account on upwork.com or fiverr.com and you can get. So there are some clients which told you that do not use any kind of software, just do everything by manually. So you can also do it everything by manually, but I think it will take some time. So then you can charge high amount from your client when you are doing everything manually for your client. But if you are charging $15 or $10 from your client, then you can use this software and you can convert all the data with the help of this tool. And I have also done some other projects, so you can also watch these videos. So if you are interested and you want to learn. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can convert data entry portfolio from this file. So in the description I will give you this file link, so you can just download this file. And then what you need to do, just to open Google Drive and then upload this file, and then just open with the Google Word and then download this file. So then you can check this file if there is any kind of error, so you can just make it clear. And then you can just show to your client that I have done data entry work and this is my portfolio. And if you want to make more portfolio, you can also watch my other videos which I have already shared with you, different projects on this YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will share with you new videos next time. So thank you so much. Goodbye.